Women's jewelry vocabulary plus conversation. First one is necklace and bran. Next is tiara and armlet. Next is septum nose ring and nose ring. Next is waist chain and toe ring. Next is head chain and finger ring. Next is anklet and brooch. Next is bracelet and bangles. Last is pendant and earrings. Let's see how to use these vocabularies in daily life conversation. Conversation about necklace.
Hi Rima, that's a beautiful necklace you're wearing today.
Thank you, I got it as a gift from my sister on my birthday.
It looks so elegant. Is it made of gold?
No, it's actually made of silver. It has a delicate design and is studded with small diamonds.
That's lovely. I'm planning to buy a necklace for my sister's wedding next month. Do you have any suggestions?
Sure, what kind of necklace are you looking for?
I was thinking of something with a bit of color, maybe a pendant with a blue gemstone.
I know a great jewelry store that has a wide range of options. Let's go there together this weekend and we can look for a necklace for you.
That sounds perfect. Thanks, I really appreciate it.
No problem. I'm happy to help, plus, we can also catch up over some coffee while we are out shopping. Conversation about finger ring.
Hey Alina, that's a beautiful ring you're wearing. Is it new?
Thanks, yes, I got it a few days ago. It's a gift from my boyfriend.
Oh wow, it's so unique. What kind of stone is that in the center?
It's actually an opal. I love the way the colors change depending on the light. It's like having a different ring every time.
I see what you mean. It's really stunning. I'm thinking of getting a ring for myself as well, but I'm not sure what kind to get.
Do you have any preferences in mind?
Well, I want something that's versatile, that I can wear every day. And also something that's not too expensive.
I understand. How about a simple gold band with a small diamond or a birthstone?
That sounds like a good idea. Do you know any good jewelers that sell those kinds of rings?
Yes, there's a small shop near my place that has a good selection. We can go check it out this weekend if you want.
That would be great. I really appreciate your help, Alina.
Of course, no problem. It'll be fun to shop for rings together.